Hey, what's up everybody? This is Greg Randolph from Decked. We're here with just a quick video for you, features, benefits, and a few details about the Decked drawer system that you guys are selling in your shops out there. So Decked is the full bed length drawer system. It gives you easy ergonomic access to all your tools, all your gear, and that sort of thing. It kind of replaces a tonneau cover, but also works with a tonneau cover. And the Decked system's secure. We do sell drawer locks, you can lock your drawers. And if your tailgate locks, you may not need these, but they are an added level of security. When you close your tailgate, you can't open up the drawers. You can't get in there and you can't take the Decked system out. The Decked system is weatherproof, so you can have full confidence of driving around in like a torrential rainstorm, snowstorm, that kind of thing. Everything in your drawers is gonna stay dry. When thinking about Decked, there's just basically, my biology teacher in the 10th grade said it's the rule of twos. It's a universal number, so Decked is 2,000 pound payload on the top, 200 pounds in each drawer, and the entire product itself weighs 200 pounds. We offer basically a no drill install, so the installs are pretty quick, and you get the benefit of selling the product. You get a couple hours of shop time labor, and then also we make all these components here. So about 75% of our customers we find will actually buy a drawer organizer, a cross box, dividers, and a D-box, and so on and so forth. So for you as a dealer, you make good margin on selling the Decked system. You can also increase that margin because you can sell the installation of the Decked system. And then we make a constantly evolving line of components which help you make more money and add more margin to your sale. Decked is made in the United States of America. We manufacture all this in the upper Midwest in Ohio, Michigan, and that part of the country. And it's also made from recycled material, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please hit us up in the comments. You can send us an email, call us, live chat, social media, smoke signal, whatever you got. But thanks for watching. We're looking forward to working with you.